Merry Christmas. Resisting. Back to the first vehicle to the back seat.
Truck brake checking? Why can't you guys stay in your lane? Kentucky. Little Miss Lashes. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Almost a side swipe. Yeah, they cannot stay in their lane. Charlie 1427-1 Sarah. I don't know that this truck did anything, but they were involved. Kentucky play N7M700. What in the world is this person doing? Yep, she's over the yellow line. She's almost driving into the wall. Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god. She actually just hit the wall. Holy shit. Hi, I'm driving northbound on I-5. I just passed exit 171, just underneath Northeast 70th Street. There is probably an intoxicated driver driving on the road. They just came to a stop. Sorry, what? It is a silver Chevy.
back to the first vehicle, to the back seat. I heard some yelling. Signs of a struggle. Second officer got something from the front passenger seat, handed it to the officer at the rear. This car has returned, this Ford Taurus. Two officers at the back passenger side. Not sure why. Both of them appear to be grabbing onto the person being arrested. But she is apparently putting up quite a struggle. Close the back passenger door, or the back driver's door. I've been saying it wrong the whole time. I wish my eyes were good enough. I could read the plate of this Taurus behind. Because the front two vehicles, they are clearly Washington State Police officers, but what worries me is this other unmarked car. The lead Washington State Patrol car appears to be leaving. That's the one that the arrestee is in. The DUI driver, as I should say. Oh, gross. Yeah, if you want to pull out, officer, maybe a turn signal would help. There they go, next to that semi. Oh, this person is appears to be a middle-aged woman dressed in regular clothes. A relative, perhaps? Especially because this sedan back here, this silver sedan, is a Ford model. I assume that this is maybe an unmarked police car. Oh, she's shaking her head. Oh my God, I can't believe you arrested my friend slash relative for drunk driving.